Welcome to the session. So we will discuss about the what lessons? Chemical reactions and equations. So today we will discuss about the chemical equations. So last class what we discussed? Last class we discussed about the chemical reactions and chemical equations, showing that the chemical equation means it will having the reactant and product, where the reactant can be written in left hand side and the product can be written in right hand side. What is in the reactant? The substance that will be changed to chemical change. The substance that will be changed to chemical reaction is known as reactant. What is in the product? A new substance can be formed. A new substance can be formed is known as product. And there are various types of symbols we have to represent. If the starting material is having aqueous solution, means in the bracket we have to mention AQ. If it is solid, means in the bracket we have to mention S. If it is liquid, means in the bracket we have to mention L. And if it is gaseous, means we have to mention G. And next, how we have to balancing the equation. So which law we have to follow? That is law of conservation of mass. Mass can be neither created nor destroyed. So the mass of the product is equal to the mass of the reactant. That is nothing but the number of atoms in the reactant that will be equal to the number of atoms which are in the product. So in both reactant and product, the number of atoms of that every element it will be same. So that's why only the chemical equations are balanced. So before going to that, we will discuss one activity. So in that last class, we will show one animation videos now. We will show one videos, picturization. So now we will do that experiment. That is, we have to take lead nitrate solution in a test tube. We have to take lead nitrate. So what is the formula for lead nitrate, children? What is the formula for lead nitrate? So what is the formula for lead? Pb. The valency for lead is how much? It will be +2. And what is the formula for nitrate? NO3. The nitrate formula is NO3. What is the valency for lead? +2. What is the valency for nitrate? -1. So that PbNO3 twice is the formula for lead nitrate. And next we have to take potassium iodide solution to this. We have to take potassium iodide. So what is the formula for potassium, children? K. The formula for potassium is K. What is the valency for potassium? +1. And what is the formula for iodide? I. Iodide formula is I. Pb twice. This is the formula for lead nitrate. And next we have to write the formula for potassium iodide. So the formula for potassium is K. The valency for potassium is +1. And iodide, the formula for iodide is I. The valency for iodide is -1. So the potassium iodide formula is Ki. So that we have to take lead nitrate. We have to take lead nitrate and in one beaker, and we have to take the potassium iodide in the another beaker. So what do you observe? You have to take lead nitrate in the solution, lead nitrate solution. So here we are taken in the test tube. Here we are taken in the beaker. So this is the beaker. How much ml beaker? It is a 500 ml beaker. And we have to add this potassium iodide solution in the lead nitrate solution. So we have to observe what it will be. So it will form yellow color will be obtained. So what does it form? What color you can observe, children? What color you can observe here? It will form yellow color. The yellow color precipitate will be obtained here. So this is the product you can see when we add the lead nitrate and potassium iodide solution. So this is the product you can get. So what are the products are there? The starting material is lead nitrate and potassium iodide. So from that we can get potassium iodide. Potassium iodide formula is, what is the formula for potassium iodide plus lead nitrate? We can get lead iodide. We can get the product what? Lead iodide and potassium nitrate as the product. First we have to write the formula for lead iodide. So what is the formula for lead? Pb. The formula for lead is Pb. The valency for lead is what? +2. And for iodide, what is the formula for iodide? I. The valency for iodide is -1. So that the valency for lead is what? 2. So that we can write it as 2 nearer to the subscript, nearer to the iodide. So the formula for lead iodide, it will be PbI2 plus. So one more product is also obtained, that is potassium nitrate. What is the formula for potassium, children? K. Nitrate, what is the formula for nitrate? NO3. KNO3. KNO3 is the formula for potassium nitrate. So in this reaction we can get two products, that is lead iodide and potassium nitrate. So what type of reaction it will be, children? You can see. So here lead nitrate. So lead nitrate means here, what is the cation and what is the anion? The cation is in positive charge and the anion it will be in negative charge. So here what is cation? Pb2 plus, lead is cation. So here what is anion? Nitrate, NO3 minus is anion. So here the potassium K plus is cation and iodide I minus is anion. So here what is the reaction going on, children? What you can observe? Yes. What you can observe here? You can observe here the exchange of ions will be there. The exchange of ions. Instead of here nitrate, what will be exchanged here? Iodide will be exchanged here. So that what is the product here which will be formed? Lead iodide, PbI2. So here you can see the iodide can be replaced as nitrate, NO3. So that what is the product here you can get? Potassium nitrate. So what type of reaction it will be? It is double decomposition reaction. It is double decomposition reaction. The double decomposition reaction is nothing but the exchange of ions. The exchange of ions. What is it by ions? Cations and anions. Cations are positive charge ions. Anions are negative charge ions. So these ions can be exchanged. From that it will form the product. That is known as double displacement reaction. And next you can see the picture. So in that first picture, here we are taken the potassium iodide. The next here we are taken lead nitrate. So we can mix the lead nitrate in potassium iodide. The yellow precipitate will be appears and finally it will form the yellow precipitate. So these yellow precipitate indicates what? Lead iodide. And also it will form potassium nitrate product also. And now, so last session, in the last previous classes we will discuss that one equation. So in that equation you have to answer, so which is product and which is reactant, and also you have to answer whether the equation is balanced or not. So that part we will discuss in the next session. Okay children.